Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today, I've got an unboxing that came courtesy of my buddy A to Z EDC. Go give him a follow on Instagram if you guys would. Great guy, local buddy. He had been out of town for the weekend and had something show up, wanted me to get it out of his mailbox. Something he picked up on BladeBinge. Don't know what it is, have absolutely no clue. Thought we'd open it together. First off though, real quickly, I do want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all so much. Thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel and takes the time. And thank you to just anyone who comes in to watch the knife, the EDC content. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to use my Amazon butterfly unboxing knife to cut this tape. This was sent again via another guy because it was a BladeBinge buy. I do not know what he's picked up. Alright, let me hide any personals real quick. Hold on one second, kids. I will pull out the knife. Packed very well. Packed very well. Alright guys, so what we have here, let me get this out of the way, so when he stops by and picks this up, I can box it back up for him. So what we have here is a WEKNIFE. I think it is an older model, and I don't know the model, but I do know the lore. You guys tell me if you know the lore of this knife. I call it the penis knife. This is that WEKNIFE. I do not know which one because this is an unboxing, kind of unboxing slash overview. But to me, it's an awesome looking knife, but it does look distinctly like it's got a penis. I love the blade on this knife. It is thick, tall, kind of tactically inspired in my opinion. It's got a deployment hole and a flipper tab. It's one of the older WE models. Ferrum forged design, so it's a Ferrum forged WE collab. But just an absolute stunning knife. The only odd part about it, to me, is the end of the handle. And is it just me, or I kind of went along with the lore when I heard about it. Got this perfect finger choil up front. Super slicey. What a great knife. Look at that, guys. The cuts don't trail off at all. It's not a recurve per se, but it does have that really distinct belly. Maybe a little of recurve, but nothing that would require anything special. Ferrum forged design. I am guessing because of the age of this knife, and we'll look and hunt for it, but I'm thinking that it's probably S35 VN. That is what we used quite a bit back in this day, because these handles are titanium handles, just to give you an example, but there's no internal milling on these. These guys are absolutely solid slabs of titanium. It feels like a real knife. I mean, it just feels like a tool. You do have the holes that give you, I guess, a little bit of weight relief, but I'm not seeing a blade steel on there, but I'm betting it is 20 CV, or excuse me, S35 VN, not 20 CV. I don't think they were using 20 CV when this knife was designed and produced. Designed by Ferrum Forge, produced by WE. The action on it, guys, is awesome. The front flick, middle finger flick that is just butter. It's got a really nice flipper tab that works either in a push button or a light switch, jimped in both places. You've got really aggressive jimping on this blade. And again, the ergonomics, for me, I've got a 3.5-inch hand. I can get a full grip behind the choil without even feeling the pocket clip. And then with that choke up, it feels absolutely fantastic. Just a cutting machine. You've got this nice Stonewashed blade, raw titanium handle, nice back spacer. The clip, let's see how it works. The clip I do not feel, but let's see how it actually goes in and out of pocket. Goes in and out of pocket very, very well. I'm wearing 511 jeans that are very thick hemmed. Knives tend to kind of struggle with them, but they do stay in really, really well. Guys, a nice specimen from WE. And when I look at the blade, I don't think as much of the handle. When I look at it closed, I don't know. I just kind of get this weird vibe. I'm not crazy about, I wish the handle was a little bit different personally, but that's just me. Maybe I've got a phallus issue. Y'all tell me what you think. Or maybe it was just planted in my mind, because I do remember people reviewing this knife or talking about this knife years ago, talking about that distinctive looking tip to the handle, that it's just a little bit odd. But I can tell you the blade is done exceptionally well. You've got this contoured edge, a little bit of swedge there. You've got a flat that runs all the way from the fuller, which does, not the fuller, the plunge grind that does very, very well, comes back very far. And then you've got a flat that goes all the way up here, and then everything else is a flat grind going down. Super slicey, super sharp. T8 hardware all the way around. This is kind of, I did a review on the WE Revere, which is another older one of A to Z's WE knives. And I swear, as good as WE's are now, these older WE's, these older premium WE's feel fantastic. And it's probably because the weight that they left in the body of these knives, and some of the designs are a little bit more cool. I mean, this is one of the cooler Ferrum Forge design blades that I've seen, and I'm a huge Ferrum Forge fan. I've had almost all of their production knives, like a lot of their custom stuff, but this blade is just dynamite. But guys, this is a WE. I will try to, in the description, put the name of it, because I don't know if you can still get it, but I know it was at one time a very interesting knife, and still is to this day. A to Z picked it up on BladeBinge. BladeBinge is a great place to check out knives. If you're looking at any of their new knives, I do have a affiliate code over there. Just check it out on my beacons links, which are down there in the description. That's where I keep all my links in one place. But guys, Ferrum Forge WE penis knife looks pretty cool. This is an unboxing. Don't know if I'll review this, probably down the road, because it's going to go to A to Z. He'll want to carry it for a while. But thanks for watching. Go give him a follow, because he's been super kind with his collection to me. And do me a biggest favor, like that thing, and look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart, and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.